friends, this is one of my top premium strategies of all time. Now this is one of the best trading strategies, so you can use this strategy to trade almost all volatility index and also forex trading, any currency pair at all. This particular strategy is applicable. It will do what? Generate a lot of profit for you. Do you understand? Now the strategy is more of a top-down analysis. You do analysis in higher time frame and do what? Execute your trade in lower time frame. So on my screen now, this is 4-hour time frame. This is where we'll be carrying out our analysis. Do you understand? Now after analysis, we execute our trade on what? Lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? So you need only one indicator, MACD indicator. Do you understand? That is the only indicator you need to record massive profit with this strategy. Do you understand? So before we proceed, now let me show you this. From the side of MACD, you see this crossing here. From the side of MACD, you see the crossing, because we'll be making use of these two crossing. Do you understand? I will be making use of these two crossing to teach you guys how this particular strategy work. Do you understand? This is a profitable strategy. Do you understand? So from this point of crossing from the side of MACD, look at this, the point of crossing here, and this is the nature of the crossing. So when the MACD crosses from down upward, that is what? A downward trend. Do you understand? That is what? A bearish trend. Do you understand? Now here is another point. Here is what? Another point. So I will be using these 2 points to illustrate, to teach you guys how this particular strategy works. Do you understand? So pay attention. Do you understand? Understand every bit of it. Now when the MACD crossing occur from up downward, it signifies a bullish trend, that is uptrend. Do you understand? All right, so this is two strategies. These 2 points I will be using to do what? To illustrate, to teach how this particular strategy work. But before that, let me show you the settings for the MACD indicator. So here are what the settings for MACD indicator. Fast EMA is 80, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 2, apply to close. Do you understand? Now from the side of style, men 4 pixel green, signal 2 pixel red. Do you understand? So this is for MACD indicator settings. So once I've done setting it this way, you click done. Do you understand? So now this is what our chart. Now here what how the strategy work. But for that, let me demarcate these 2 points I illustrated. Let me demarcate these 2 points. Now here is for bearish trend. So from this point, this is where the MACD crux is. Are you seeing it? So this is the crossing of MACD, and this is where the crossing occur. This is what? Bearish trend. Do you understand? All right, now let me mark this particular line again. This is a bullish trend. Do you understand? This is what? A bullish trend. So let me mark it out also. We'll be using these 2 points to illustrate, to teach you guys how this particular strategy work. Now let me change the color to green so that we don't confuse it with the first line. Do you understand? All right, let me change the color to separate both 2 points. Now for bearish, this is what uptrend. Do you understand? From this point where we mark, from this point is what? Uptrend. Do you understand? Mind you, this is a 4-hour time frame. Now from this point is what? Bearish downtrend. Are you seeing it? All right, so we have marked out this for here is from this green line is what? Uptrend, while for downtrend is what? This red line. Do you understand? So this is our analysis. Now when you see the crossing occur here, when you are on 4-hour time frame, that is higher time frame, and you discover that the price, the crossing occur here, so this signifies an uptrend. Do you understand? So you don't make your entry from this point. Do you understand? Because we are using this is a higher time frame. Do you understand? We are using it to analyze the chart. We do what? Using it to analyze the market to get the direction of the market, because forex trading is all about identifying the direction of the market. Do you understand? Before you start trading, you must first of all understand the direction of the market. Once you understand the direction of the market, then all your entries should be in that direction. Do you understand? So you don't go against the trend. Do you understand? So this is a 4-hour time frame. So we use it to analyze the market. So from this green vertical line is what? An uptrend. Do you understand? So now let's go to 15 minutes time frame where we will be making our entry. Do you understand? Now when we get to 15 minutes time frame, all our entry should be where the MACD from this green line downwards, all our buy entry should be where the MACD crosses from up downward. Do you understand? That is for bullish trend. Now let's go to 15 minutes. Now here was the 15 minutes time frame. Now let's look at the green line, the green vertical line, which symbolizes an uptrend. Let's look at where the green line is. Do you understand? All right, pay attention. Let's look at the green line. So now here is the green line. So from the 4-hour time frame, this is where bullish trend occur in 4-hour time frame. So from here now we start looking for a bullish trend in 15 minutes time frame to make our entry, so that we will be following the market in the same trend. You don't understand? So we will be from here now we will be looking from the side of MACD, where the MACD crosses from down upward, from up downward, then we will make our buy entry. Now this is the first entry here. Look at MACD here. Here is what our first entry, this point here where MACD moves up and come down. So the first buy entry will be here. Do you understand? The first buy entry will be here. The first buy entry will be here. From this point we work our buy entry here. So we record this profit. We go out of the market and also waiting for another crossing. Do you understand? From up now, here is another opportunity. From up downwards, here is what? Another opportunity. So you make your entry from this point, make your entry, buy entry from this point, and you record the massive profit. Do you understand? So we proceed. Now here is another, right? Here is another entry. Look at this. Here is what? Another entry. So we proceed. Here is another entry. So wherever the MACD crosses from up downward is our what? Entry. Here is another entry. That is buy entry. You record your profit. Do you understand? So this is how we will be doing it for uptrend. Now let's get to how to trade downwards. Now let's look at the red line for now. Here is what? The bearish trend on 4-hour time frame. So we will be looking at where the MACD crosses from down upward. Do you understand? All right, from down. Now here is our first entry in 15 minutes time frame. Here is our what? First entry. Do you understand? So we record the profit, we move out. Do you understand? So this is one entry. This is what? One entry in what? Now let me show you something from this point. From this point where we enter. This point here. From this point where we make our sell entry. This point here. Make our sell entry. Do you understand? Make our sell entry here. I seen it. So now let's see Let's use this to mark it out. Now let's switch to 4-hour time frame and see how it goes. Now this is where we make our entry in 4-hour time frame at this point. Now 50 minutes. Let me show you very well. Now let me use this to mark it out. So that's where we make our entry. Do you understand? So that is it. This is what a lot of profit. So this is Optimal FX where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit. Thank you.